Severe thunderstorm, guys. Orlando, Florida. I mean, if any of you guys follow my channel, y'all know I love storms. If y'all could see this in person, oh my god. It's amazing. Did y'all see that? It looked like it rained a little bit, but I don't know, it just got really cloudy out of nowhere. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, I'm sure y'all can see that. Sky looks gray. It looks so cool. Yeah, and traffic don't know how to act. I'm trying to get them lightning strikes, but there was some good ones earlier. I don't know why I filmed now. I should have had guys. I was watching a movie, guys. It was really good. It was called The Mortuary Collection. It was actually interesting. It was like a twist on a twist on a twist on another twist. Just full of twists. But this lightning is amazing. Come on, lightning strikes. A lot of flashing, but no strikes. I saw strikes earlier. We need a lightning strike. Ooh. I'm trying to see if I can get at least one good lightning strike. Guys, it's like severe lightning. Well, thunder. Some lightning flashing things, but no strike. And I don't know what the hell was that just spun in front of my camera. Did y'all see that? But it is so cool. But y'all know the weather here is bipolar, right? It gets really cloudy like this for like 5-10 minutes. Lightning, rain, thunder, and then boom, it just disappears. Sometimes they last for hours, sometimes for days. I like when it lasts for days. I don't like the minutes and the hours too much. Ooh. I gotta switch arms. My hands are hurting. The wind is picking up. This is why I love Florida. I love the storms. I love this weather. Come on, lightning. Oh, I can hear like rain. I can hear the raindrops hitting something, hitting the roof. They sound really big. I hear raindrops. I feel raindrops. Oh, come on. There was some cool lightning earlier. Now it's just a whole bunch of flashing. Ooh. Oh, there we go. The sky is lighting up like 4th of July. They should put a metal pole over that building, on the top of that building, like really long metal pole. For when it lightnings like this, the lightning hits the pole. That'll be so cool. But the sky is really gray. It's cool. Somebody got pulled over. Pull over. Mm-hmm. I don't know. But it's going somewhere. Or it just wanted to run the red light. Oh, because these cops be using their power, boy. Mm-mm-mm.